Hi, my name is Alex and I'm here to tell you about the Vertex One for academic and corporate research. As a former researcher myself, I hope to be able to concisely break down the main advantages of using the Avular Vertex. In one sentence, it is a robust and adaptable robotic platform that allows for various levels of control depending on your desired technical depth. Designing and building your own robotic platform from scratch can demand a lot of time and resources, which takes away valuable time and money from developing your actual business case. The Vertex drone platform allows you to focus on your research by providing a stable, robust and highly configurable basis that is easy to work with. It makes full use of its larger size by offering high onboard computing power and a payload capacity of 1 kilogram. The body of the drone features many mounting points to easily attach your custom payload. The Vertex also comes with a bridge to connect it to your payload. Next to the standard bridge, we provide 3D drawings of the module, allowing you to adapt it to suit your needs. You can attach your payload like so. And set up your data feed like so. The Vertex can be used with preloaded Avular autonomy, or you can develop your own navigation software, in which case we allow full access to velocity commands. Avular autonomy can be configured for either indoor or outdoor use, depending on the environment you'll be testing in. For indoor use, we provide the Starlink positioning system, and for outdoor use, an RTK GPS base station is available. The GPS module comes with an Avular interface, but can also be accessed directly via your own ROS commands. Different levels of control within the Flight Control API allow you to go to the technical depth you are comfortable with. This means it's easy to get up and running, even with limited robotics experience. But it is also possible to dive straight into ROS commands to test your custom autonomy software. All Vertex platforms come equipped with Wi-Fi capabilities, as well as a simulation environment to run virtual tests. Avular can also pre-configure your Vertex with a payload of your choice. Simply reach out to us to have a chat about the possibilities for the payload you have in mind. No need to have a separate robot to present your research. With the Vertex One, you get the perfect testing and presenting platform, ensuring that whatever you tested successfully in the lab will then be presented as expected to stakeholders without any last-minute surprises. That's about it. I hope this gives you an idea of the capabilities of the Vertex One. If you think the Vertex could help you in your research, we would be happy to schedule a demo for you. There are many more topics to cover in order to explain all the features of the Vertex, so we'll dive into each feature in more depth in videos to come. We're curious to hear how you can use the Vertex in your research. Thanks for watching.